So what is actuarial? Actuarial. What does it mean? Good at calculation. Grumpy. What does it mean? Exactly. Come on, say everyone. Grumpy. Short-tempered. Grumpy is short-tempered. He is a person of garam mizaj. He becomes grumpy. Whenever he talks to any unknown person. Grumpy. Asinine. What is the meaning? Stupid. Asinine is assiduous. Assiduous means diligent, hardworking. Diligent, hardworking. What is the meaning of amuse? Amuse. Music. Music amuses us. Music entertains us. Sojourn. Journey. When we are on a long journey, we take multiple sojourns to get ourselves relaxed. Let's have a next word. Dexterous. Those who work on desk are dexterous. Non-dexterous people have to do a lot of hard work. Dexterous people do smart work. We wish to be dexterous. SC9. What does it mean? Stupid. As plus 9. 1 who is equivalent to 9 asses. Such an asinine guy. Voracious. Let's connect it to Bora. Come on, say voracious. Bora. He eats a lot. He requires it in a Bora. Small quantity will not solve his purpose. He is voracious. Let's have next word. Surreptitious. What does it mean? Yes, surreptitious. Come on, speak once more. Surreptitious. Hidden. Secret. Right? And we can we can also connect it with covert. Surreptitious. Next word is rampage. It's a noun. Its meaning is brawl, chaos, bawal. Brawl, chaos, rampage. Let's connect it to ramp. Rampage. Sapna Chaudhary was dancing on ramp. Some ruffians tried to have selfie with her. Police administration was active. They caught those ruffians, beat them bitterly, and a rampage took place. Rampage, brawl, chaos, bavander. Connected?
Yes, sir.
Let's have a next word, that is sumptuous. Meaning delicious. Veracity. What does it mean? Truthfulness. Veracity means truthfulness. Next word. Let's have the next word. Tenacious. What does it mean? Stubborn. Obstinate. Tenacious. Tina is a tenacious girl. It's very tough to convince her. Once she decides something, she insists on that. She is so tenacious. Next word, fastidious. Are you aware of it? Fastidious. Eccentric. Fastidious people change their opinion very fast. They are eccentric. Sunky. Fast. Fastidious. Those who change their opinion very fast are fastidious. Well, next word is cynosure. Cynosure. Center of attraction. Center of attraction. Dinosaur was the cynosure of his time. Cynosure. Bedi Zen. Zen car of Kiran Bedi is decorated very well. It's so shiny. Its noun is bedizen mint. To decorate. Adorn. Adorn. Also means to decorate. To embellish. Adorn. In the welcome of dawn, the whole city was adorned. Adorn. Bellicose. What does it mean? Quarrelsome. Quarrelsome. Warlike. Bellicose. I had a bottle of glucose and I had to fight for a long time. I kept taking glucose and I managed the fight. Being a bellicose. Bellicose. Bellicose guys keep taking glucose when they are on mission. Bellicose. Bumptious. Bumptious. Those who do not sit at one place. They keep roaming here and there. They keep bumping here and there. Bumptious. Uchlu. Bumptious. Let's have a next word. Ameliorate. Come on, reply unanimously. Ameliorate. Its meaning is to improve. It's a verb. Its noun is amelioration. Amelioration. Amul rate. Amul company has increased its product price. But they have also ameliorated the quality of product. We wish to have amelioration in our skills to be a right candidate for SSB. Ameliorate. Ameliorate. Altercation. Once I gave my shirt to a tailor for some alterations. He made wrong alterations. When I asked the reason, he started arguing with me. Ostentatious. What does it mean? Ostentatious. Let's connect it to tent. Some people have affluence. They put tent in a good quantity Even on small functions. They are so ostentatious. Rapacious. Greedy. Rapacious. Greedy. Some singers are so rapacious, they copy others' rap. They are so rapacious, so greedy. Is this connected?
अगर आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे।